Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'll be doing a fall decor home tour. I had a cleaning video to go with it, but for some reason it would not upload, which is okay. I still have this I want to show you guys, so I hope you enjoy. If you're new, don't forget to push that subscribe button. Make sure you go ahead and push the like button, and also I would love for you to leave a comment down below and just telling me what your favorite decor was. Alright, let's get started. So I won't be saying much in this video just because it's not that long of a video, but these are the pictures of the final product of what I put together for my fall decor, and so I just hope you like it, and let me know again in the comments what your favorite thing is, or if you want to know where something came from. I can also answer those questions in the comment section.
And even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think that we could be together. Am I living in a fantasy, or is this for real? Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me. Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me. For someone like me. For someone like me. For someone like me. For someone like me. I don't know what you see in me. I'm not good for you, can't you see that I will drag you down? Here at the bar.
Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will have another cleaning video coming out soon. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and you have that bell on so you'll know when I upload another video. And also don't forget to like this video, and also make sure you check me out on Instagram. It's the Life of Courtney 19. I would love for you to come and follow me on there, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.
Never thought that you could